For years, industrial data platforms were built with one primary goal: to store plant data. But storing data is no longer enough. Today's industrial leaders need data that is usable, open, and ready to drive intelligence. OmniConnect was built for exactly that purpose: to go from legacy historians storing industrial data to activating industrial intelligence. And to do it fast, in weeks, not months, not years, for system integrators and end customers. Industrial organizations today operate in a fundamentally different reality. Operations span multiple plants and geographies. IT teams, OT teams, and data science teams all need access to the same data. Yet that data remains siloed. Most existing solutions remain project-based and take too long before any value is realized. Traditional OT data historians were never designed for today's world. They are capital-intensive, non-SaaS, vendor-locked, on-prem, single-site, and based on proprietary data models. Their scope is limited to OT data, with little to no convergence with IT. The result is slow progress, high risk, and limited scalability, requiring extensive discovery, customization, and coordination with end users. The world is not just ready, it's overdue for a no-code, SaaS-based product delivered in days or weeks.
OmniConnect was purpose-built to meet exactly these business needs. It is a highly enriched, cloud-based IT/OT data convergence platform, a cloud-native data lake, no-code, SaaS, not CapEx. With OmniConnect, data remains non-proprietary, and ownership stays with the customer. Unlimited data points, devices, sites, or plants. IT and OT convergence is automated, and AI and machine learning are not just possible, but built in. And most importantly, business benefits are realized in days or weeks, not months or years. OmniConnect delivers high-value capabilities out of the box. AI-based data analysis and insights. No-code IT ingestion, OT ingestion, and calculated tags. Preemptive data integrity assurance automation. Wizard-driven batch compute and business rules automation. Pre-built asset performance and health models. Early warning notifications and alerts. And world-class APIs for everything within OmniConnect. Let's explore each one by one. Integrated within OmniConnect, Gen AI-powered Omni Agent gets you the insights you want, exactly when you want them, in seconds. It's your analysis companion, powered by leading-edge, cloud-native AI. Curated specifically for OmniConnect user value, Omni Agent is continuously updated, evolving in step with your real-time data. And it's generative, turning questions into actionable insights instantly. Omni Agent is also your user companion. More than just a chatbot, it understands natural language to deliver guided instructions and clear how-tos, helping you move forward with confidence every step of the way. The benefit? User productivity increased by 80% or more. OT data ingestion is simple. You can configure any OT data type at any frequency from any device in just a few clicks. Every data point is automatically validated, stored, and utilized. OmniConnect supports all relevant OT sources like OPC, IoT, MQTT, and more. Data can be ingested in real time, scheduled, triggered, on demand, or through historical bulk import. All data types are supported: real, Boolean, integer, GPS, time, and string. Outcome: any and all OT data ingestions in just 1 or 2 days. With no code, IT ingestions are just as simple. Our stepwise wizard converges your relevant IT data in minutes. All common ERP systems are supported automatically, including SAP, Microsoft SQL, REST API, SFTP, and more. Data security is inherent, leveraging native Azure connectors and pipelines. Once ingested, IT data is automatically usable alongside OT data, enabling true IT-OT converged business metrics. The benefit? The time to value for IT-OT convergence reduced to 1 day or less. Over and above data ingestion, OmniConnect's preemptive, multi-tiered data integrity automation system continuously ensures security, reliability, accuracy, and timeliness, so you don't have to. It is cloud-based, automated, configurable, and ML-driven. ADE runs inside OmniConnect, with its 4-tier architecture building a continuous chain of trust. Tier 1 inspects incoming data packets. Tier 2 validates every tag inside them. Tier 3 checks user-configured legacy alarms and business rules. And Tier 4 applies AI and ML to detect anomalous data or process behavior for maximum value. The result? You stay in control, and your data stays reliable. Up to 3% better availability. Up to 5% scrap reduction. up to 15% reactive maintenance reduction, over 20% data firefighting time reduction. No-code calculated tags can be created through a simple, user-configurable, on-the-fly calculation in minutes. Not just simple formulas, but conditionals, counters, timers, and totalizers. Pre-configured alarms and statistical functions are included. Calculations are reusable through formula and asset libraries, accelerating scale. Outcome: any OT KPI, any business metric KPI, at your fingertips via no-code in less than 10 minutes. Within the OmniConnect product, batch computations and business rules can be developed directly in the platform. Users can even build business logic visually, or by copying and pasting existing code. Batch computes are reusable, schedulable, and trigger-based, using IT data, OT data, or both. Outcome: complex business performance metrics configured in less than 1 day. OmniConnect includes click-to-configure thermodynamic performance and machine learning health models for industrial assets. Performance models adhere to industry standards: OEM-based expected performance, OT-based actual performance, to identify deviations and trends, along with on-demand what-if analysis. Health models leverage machine learning, anomaly detection algorithms, and FMEA-based logic, enabling early warning and failure avoidance. Outcome: performance digital twins help achieve 5% or more benefits. Health models typically yield more than 30% reduction in unplanned downtimes. OmniConnect doesn't wait for you to pay attention to critical situations. Its early warning notification and alerts features are pre-built and automated to fire only if and when your intervention makes sense. Outcome: never again miss a critical data-related event in your facility. OmniConnect provides world-class read and write APIs, giving instant access to all your data for any purpose. Data is open, accessible, and never locked behind proprietary models. The Read API lets you, programmatically, fetch whatever you want. Outcome: every bit of data and insights are always ready for your system. For system integrators, OmniConnect delivers more value with less risk. Deployments are significantly faster, saving up to 80 man-days. Templates and models are reusable. Customization effort is reduced. Recurrence of SaaS-based revenue support and maintenance burdens are lower. The result is higher margins, scalable delivery, and recurring SaaS-based revenue. For end customers, the value is clear. You own your data. OmniConnect accelerates your decision-making and future-proofs your operations. OmniConnect delivers a unified IT/OT foundation, freedom from vendor lock-in, rapid time to first use case, an AI-ready data architecture, and a lower lifecycle cost than traditional historians. The outcome? A single, open data foundation that turns operational data into durable, competitive advantage. OmniConnect makes processes fast, open, and AI-ready. Here's how some of our customers are using OmniConnect to see live operational visibility, OEE insights, and energy monitoring across their plants. Digital transformation in lube oil blending and tank operations. IoT-based pressure monitoring system in the energy sector. Real-time EPA compliance monitoring for thermal power plants. Enabling real-time reporting for a leading textile manufacturer. Driving new OEE benchmarks for a major tea manufacturer. Driving intelligent OEE optimization and predictive maintenance for discrete and process manufacturing. Enabling real-time operational visibility for agile decision-making in large industrial conglomerates. Building a scalable, real-time industrial data lake for smart buildings and industrial campuses. Empowering predictive maintenance and informed production decisions in heavy manufacturing industries. Secure in-country ingestion and management of large-scale IoT data for public infrastructure and utilities. OmniConnect delivers value across the organization. For the board, profitability, uptime, and performance. For CIOs and CDOs, security, compliance, and cloud governance. For operations, OEE, throughput, and maintenance. OmniConnect modernizes industrial data foundations, creating lasting value. Start your OmniConnect journey today. See value in less than 2 weeks. Get a demo.